Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you are going to take your bath properly so that when you come out of the bathroom you'll be smelling like vanilla chocolate flavor. You'll be smelling as if you're soaked in Arabian perfume. Anybody around you would like to eat your food will be like, you smell amazing. Please tight and watch till the end. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos to people that are looking for such content. Without wasting much of your time, let me go straight into the point. This is what they call complete bath. When you hear somebody say I'm taking a bath, this is what a bath means. You don't need so many products to achieve it. Just what you need is a little time and few things you're going to gather together to make this happen. Even if you have body odor, if you consistently use this method, you will improve your smell and start smelling amazingly. First step is to get yourself a lemon. Lemon is everywhere in Nigerian market. You can get 3 pieces for 100 naira. When you get this lemon, cut it into half. If you have baking soda around you, amazing. You get the baking soda, put it somewhere. Use the half of the lemon, dip it inside the baking soda and use it and scrub your armpit. Raise your hands up. If your armpit is hairy, get a shaving stick and shave it, but not on this day that you're going to use this baking soda and lemon, because it's going to hurt, it might tinkle you. So shave your armpits like 2 or 3 days before. So scrub your armpits very well in and out. You can also scrub your neck, the back of your ear, your knee, and anywhere that has some clothing in your body. If you're on the big side, you know the part I'm talking about. Don't put it in your inside, but you can scrub the hairy part of it. After scrubbing this, you just take yourself straight to the bathroom. The next thing you're going to do is to take a proper shower with a bar soap of your choice. You can use Dove, you can use Lux, you can use any tablet soap of your choice. Get a sponge and scrub yourself very well. Bath properly like you normally would take your baths. After this soap bathing, the second step is what we call scrubbing. You're going to get yourself a good body scrub. I would recommend this or this one. This two is amazing and they're affordable. This scrub, you can get a granulated sugar, powdered sugar, put lemon, then you add a little baking soda and add water. Make it into a paste. Use your sponge and use it and scrub your body once more again. After scrubbing your body, the next step you're going to do is body conditioning. I will recommend these 2 products, which is Dove and the Ole Bath. These 2 is very, very amazing. They smell so amazingly. When you must have scrubbed yourself, you wash yourself up again from head to toe. Then you get this Dove or Ole, anyone you pick among the 2. This 2 is body conditioner. These 2 body conditioners smell so heavenly, especially Dove. The smell is out of this world. You get the word for your money. You use this Dove to condition your body. Put it a little into your hands and rub it from head to toe like you're rubbing your body lotion. After rubbing it, don't use sponge on this level. Then use water and do what? Rinse off yourself. You're already smelling amazingly. You will see how you are going to be smelling like $1 million. So when you come out of the bathroom, to seal it up, to seal everything up and begin to smell like 1 million bags, get yourself an oil perfume. Those small oil perfumes that they say 500 to 1000 naira in the Nigerian market, get a little one. Find the one that is not too harsh. The smell is not too harsh but sweet. Get like Sugar Baby. Sugar Baby is a very good one. There's other ones, I don't know their names. Just get a sweet one. Get it, open it and rub it on your palms like this. Get your body oil. Who doesn't use body oil? If you don't have body oil, get yourself a body oil or a baby oil. When you rub the oil perfume on your palms, then you use the body oil, top it up. Rub your hands together and use it to apply on your body. Then seal it up with your body lotion. If you begin to do this and wash your clothes, don't repeat your clothes. If you wear any clothes once, don't repeat it. With this, in this 2024, whenever you pass, somebody will ask you, what you smell so good. You will receive compliments. I tell you, this is the way you are going to take your bath in this 2024, that whenever you pass, you will receive compliment. Give it a try, and always come to the comment section and tell me your experience with this method that I just shared with you. Thank you for watching. Remember to watch this video and also come back to watch my next video. I love you so much. Bye bye.